Stolies, we're going to fill it out as a class. So here's a word bank. It doesn't actually have all the words on it. There's Stoli. All right. So here is a picture of Stoli. All right. Wait, present this. No. All right. All right. So we have our word bank and we have our skeleton. And as a class, we are going to fill it out together. So I have my sheet. All right. So number one. What's number one, guys? Where is it?
Skull.
It's your skull. Good job. And then number two is pointing to the bones in the middle of your chest. So what are those? Good. And now I want you to fill out the rest of the sheet together as partners. And when you're done, let me know. Just want to mention that normally this would all be mixed up. By the way. All right, you guys done with that? So now I'm gonna say a random number, and I want you to tell me what bone you got for that. All right, so number 7. Ulna, good job. Michelle, did you get the same thing?
Yep.
Perfect. Let's do number 12. Patella, awesome. All right, so now I'm gonna need you guys to stand up. This is where it's gonna get really fun, okay? So if you guys want to come in front of your desk, make it a little easier. You have your little pairs of sticky notes on your desk there. And now I want you to use those sticky notes to label yourself. All right? So what's your first one? Patella. Where's your patella? On your kneecaps. Yeah. All right, what's your next one? Scapula. You guys need help, you can put it on your, yeah. There we go. Humerus, where's your humerus?
Right here.
Yep, on your upper arm. Femur, where's your femur? Yeah, all right. We're doing good, guys.
Radius.
All right, where's your radius?
That's your upper arm.
Hmm?
Metacarpals is your fingers.
Yep.
Ulna is your underarm.
Yep.
Fibula. Your legs.
Hmm?
Those.
Yep.
Your skull.
You can also stick it in your hair if you don't want to.
Tibia is this other thing down here. And metatarsals are your toes.
Yeah. All right. Good job, guys. You can now have your sticky note. You can file yourself, or you can leave them on and walk around campus like this. You know, whatever's floats your boat. All right. You guys have a seat. All right. So now, we're gonna watch a video. All right. But first, what can you guys tell me about how this connects to your real life?
Well, now we know a little bit more about our bones and like how important they actually are to keeping us alive and functioning.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Where they're located.
Know where they're located. All right, so has anybody ever seen someone do a back bend?
Yes.
All right. How about just walking? You guys seen people walk, I'm sure? All right. So now we're gonna watch a funny video of yours truly. How can we?
All of this.
Can you guys
In
hear
our
it?
daily lives.
As you watch these movements, keep in mind the importance of your movement. Walking into a room. Sitting down. Touching your toes. Crossing your legs while reading a book. Putting on a jacket. Standing up. Putting on your backpack. Typing on a computer. Using your phone. Writing on the whiteboard. Stretching your legs. Jogging. Stretching your arms. Moving your head in a circular motion.
All right, so now we're gonna try some of these for ourselves. So can you all roll your necks? All right, can you tell me what bones you're using to roll your neck? That would be your spine, because your spine goes from the top of your head to your pelvis, right? All right, what about writing? If you guys were to write something, just told you the answer.
Metacarpal.
Metacarpal, there we go, you guys are so smart. All right, if I were going to take a walk down the road, what were the main bones I would be using?
That would use your fibula, your tibia,
What else? There's two more.
metatarsals, patella, femur.
And your femur, good job. All right, if I'm sitting here really eagerly excited, raising my hand, what bones am I using in my arm?
Radius, ulna.
Good, all right. So that is the end of our lesson. But first, I have a few questions for you. Pull this up. If you look at your KWL sheet, we're gonna talk about what you learned. All right, so you guys wanna write down, there's 3 main bullet points I'm looking for. All right? So when you're done, put your pencils down, and then we're gonna share. Michelle, you done? All right. So now, Michelle, can you tell me the first bullet point that you have that we learned today?
I said we learned how we use our bones every day.
How we learned, so what else, we could phrase that as movement, right? You have to use your bones to move. All right, Morgan, what's something else you had?
We learned the names of the different bones.
Okay, so the different names. And Michelle, could you tell me the last thing?
I said we learned why our bones are important, so we're not blocked.
All right, so we're gonna rephrase that one as we use them for support, right? Because without support, without our bones, we would be what?
A ball of clay.
Exactly. you guys did very good today. Thank you for your participation.